Recently, I had gone to Puri along with my family. As usual, Puri without visiting Jagannath temple is incomplete. So, after freshening up, we went to the temple to have darshan. While entering the temple, a small yet bold notice board attracted my 12-year-old nephew Parthiv's attention. He asked me innocently, Oppa, look at this. Why is it written only Hindus are allowed? Since we were busy, I told him I will answer his query later. While returning back, he again asked me the same question. That made me realize that how many people really know about it. Hello, friends. In this episode of Telltale, let me explain what could be the reason behind it. Did you know, as per government's record, Lord Jagannath's temple in Puri has been invaded and plundered as many as 18 times? Surprised? Yes, you heard it right. Even more than the Somnath temple in Gujarat. Reasons varied from religious causes to plundering of wealth that the temple possessed. Many a times the plunderers tried to take away the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra. According to Madala Panji, the temple chronicle, Raktabahu was the first invader to invade the Jagannath temple. It is said that when Raktabahu approached Puri with his army through the sea, the king of Orissa fled from the city with idols of Jagannath lodged in a cart. He buried the idols at a place known as Gopali. After 146 years, Jajati Kesara of the Somvansi dynasty dug out the idols, made new idols, built a temple at Puri, and enshrined them there. In 1509, during the reign of Suryavanshi king Prataprudra Deva, Ismail Ghazi, the commander of Sultan of Bengal Alauddin Hussain Shah, attacked the temple. As soon as priests came to know about it, they hid the triad in Chandi Guha hill of Chilka Lake. They returned it after the crisis got over. Again, the temple was invaded by Ilia Shah, the Sultan of Bengal, in 1340 AD during the reign of Narasingha Deva III. Though Narasingha Deva III was unable to protect his people and the temple, he successfully hid the triad in an unknown place. In 1360 AD, during the reign of the Ganga king Bhanudeva III, the third invasion took place by